Guys, made it 35 here, BoxBusters.tv, doing a 5-box break of 2014 Playbook football. Guys, thank you so much for joining in tonight's break. It's December 25th, 2015. Thank you so much, guys, and good luck to you guys. For people that don't get any hits, you guys will receive cards, autographed jerseys, or whatever in your package. Just random stuff. Sometimes I send good cards. I send a few that are like 30, 40 bucks, so it just depends on what you get. I got a massive pile. So guys who do not get anything will get something. Here we go. Good luck. Box 1. Yep. All right. First one. Get some sleeves real quick. You guys still in here? Hello? First hit, Jared Abadiris out of 20 for the Packers. Congratulations to the Packers. It's not too bad. Starting to play 19 of 50. Hey guys, I'm going to refresh then. Hello, you guys back? Hello? Are you back? Okay, here we go. Guys, first hit, Jared Abadiris out of 20 for the Packers. And then our booklet is Jersey Johnny Manziel for the Browns. 185 of 199. Johnny Manziel booklet jersey. Box 2. Empty. All right. First hit goes to the Bengals. Jamison Wilder Jr. out of 99. Jamison Wilder Jr. out of 99. Oh, I gotta get my fat plastics. Gotta get my fatties out. Jared Abadiris, James Wilder. There we go. Okay. And here comes the booklet. Austin Jenkins, jersey autograph for the Buccaneers. 1083 out of 299. All right, box 3. Here we go. Empty. Here we go. Good luck. First one, Ed Reynolds out of 10. 3 of 10 for the Eagles. Ed Reynolds out of 10. 3 of 10. And Reynolds. 10. And the booklet. Autograph patch. Wow. Charles Sims, another hit for the Buccaneers. Dang. 55 and 99. That's a nice patch. Buccaneers are killing it. Congratulations to the Buccaneers. Charles Sims. Autograph patch. Alright, box 4. Here we go. Bucks are on fire. Good luck, guys. Here we go. Oh, those are pretty cool. Oh, here's a nice one. There we go. Blake Bortles for the Jacksonville Jaguars. 3 of 75. There we go. Blake Bortles. Bada boom for the Bortles. Blake Bortles. Three of 75. Congratulations to the Jaguars. Blake Bortles. Woohoo. These are pretty cool. Cards for the Broncos. Dirty action. Look all the dirt for the Broncos. Monte Ball for the Broncos. Dirty action. Numbered 5 of 10. Yeah, he is. Oops, 5 of 10. Dirty for the Broncos. Down and dirty. Alright, guys, last box. Here we go. Wow. That's pretty sick. Odell Beckham Jr. patch. 7 of 25 for the Giants. Congratulations to the Giants. Tonight's hit. 7 of 25. Odell Beckham Jr. And then I can't believe this. This is sick. Look at that. Charles Sims jersey for the Buccaneers. Another hit. 81 of 199. Buccaneers got 3 booklets. Alright, guys, that completes the break. It's Mater 35 here on BoxBusters.tv. Just completed a break of 2014 Playbook. Guys, if you did not get any cards, you will receive a card with your package if you have a few teams. I will definitely send some hits with your package. Thank you so much for your support. We will see you around. Thanks, guys.